Myself, Arshab here, and our topic is IPL T20 database system. Our team members are Yashwant L, Omshi GA, Yashwant PS, and me, and Bharat RM. And I am going to explain our problem statement. Problem statement is like that the Indian Premier League is a professional T20 cricket tournament. IPL ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ T20 ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಟೀಮ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೀಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸೀಸನ್. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆದಂಥ 10 ಟೀಮ್ಗಳು ಒಂದೇ ಸೀಸನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡುವಂಥ ಆಟ ಇದು. ಈಚ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೀಮು ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೀಮ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಓನರ್, ಕೋಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಮ್ಗೂ ಅದರದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಓನರು, ಕೋಚು ಮತ್ತು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾಲೋಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಈ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಸೀಸನ್. ಒಂದು ಸೀಸನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ನ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಒನ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಪರ್ ಸೀಸನ್. ಒಂದು ಸೀಸನ್ಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪ್ಲೇಯರು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೀಮಿಗೆ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀಸನ್. ಮತ್ತು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀಸನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೇಟ್ಸ್, ಸಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಸೀಸನ್. ಒಬ್ಬ ಪ್ಲೇಯರು 18 ವರ್ಷ ಲೈಕ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸೀಸನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಸೀಸನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ದರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಸೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ರಿಟೈನ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಫ್ರಾಂಚೈಸಿ. ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಡ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಮ್ಸ್. ಮ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಮ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ AR ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ there are team, player, stadium, auction, stadium ಮಾಡಿ player. These are the entities and performance. These are the entities. Team attributes are coach and name. Coach name. Player attributes are value and nationality. And player date of birth, role, prize. And team ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂ ID, ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂ ನೇಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಓನರ್, ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್. And the next further topics will be explained by our team members. Next.
Myself, Omshi. My topic is problems, matches, and team performance queries. First one, which was the first highest scoring match in IPL history? The query is select match ID. Some problems. First question is which was the highest scoring match in IPL history? The query is select match ID. Some runs as total runs from performance, group by match ID, order by total runs. Limit. The answer is total runs. The explanation is from performance specifies that the data coming from the performance table, group by match ID, group by results, the match ID. So the sum calculates the total runs for individual match. Second query, which team has the lowest score in the match? The query is select match team as team ID, sum as team score from match, joint performance. Match ID is equal to P match ID, group by team ID, order by team score. Here the explanation is in this from match ID join function is used. The joint performance match ID, the table with performance on their common match ID table. The group by query team results the team to calculate this total runs for each team. The order by team score sorts these results in ascending order based on their team score, placing team in lowest score on the top. The next question is which was the last the most wickets in a single match? The query is select match ID, player ID, sum of wickets as total wickets from performance, group by match ID, player ID, order by total wickets. Here the explanation is This query of select match ID as the sum of total wickets. We can specify that from performance, specify data coming from the performance table group by results the both match ID and the player ID sum of wickets for each player performance in the specific match. The order table describes the results in descending order based on the total wicket, placing the highest number of wickets at the top of the corner. The next question is which team has won the most matches at a particular stadium? Uh, the query is select stadium ID, winner team count as match from group by stadium ID, winner team ID, order by win in descending. Here the explanation is from match specifies the data is coming from the match table. The group by which means stadium ID, winner ID team, group by which results the both stadium ID and the winning team ID to count the win for each team at the specific stadium. The order by we specify wins in the descending order, sorts the results in descending order based on their wins, placing in the stadium most wins on the top of the table. The next question is which team has the best winning percentage across all season? The query is select winner team ID, select count from match where team ID, winner team ID or team 2 ID, winner team ID as win percentage from match group by winner team ID, order by win percentage. Here the explanation is the winning team ID selects the ID of the winning team ID, which counts the number of wins for each team. Select count from match. This specifies the subquery to calculate the total number of matches played in a particular table. Count as a win percentage. At least the calculate the percentage of winning percentage from the match. Specifies the data is coming from the table. Group by winning, order by winning. Percentage describes in descending order. Sixth question is which player has is the most success in IPL history? The query is select player ID, some success as total success from performance, group by player ID, order by total success in descending limit. Uh, Here the explanation is select the player ID, sum of sixes. This describes the sixes hit by each player aliasing in the total sixes from performance table. It specifies the data is coming from the performance table to results in the group by player ID. To calculate the total sixes for each individual player, order table describes in descending order, sorts the results in descending order based on total sixes, placing in a player with the most sixes in the top. This ends my topic. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Ashwan, and I am today studying about IPL database system. And our topic, my topic is query, and this is the seventh question. Most run in a single section is or query is about SQL selected player like some runs as a total runs from performance. Just the join match on a P match ID, and where is the section where is the season 2023 group by a player ID, order my total runs, and this is the explanation about our query. Just the player who scored the most runs in IPL 2023. Just the performance on match table. It shows the filters records for a 2023 season. Some of each player runs result like 105 a player scored 105 and 85 runs top score in the data set. And next question is about the most wickets in IPL history. And the query is about selecting a player ID and sum of wickets as total wickets, more performance group by player ID, order by total wickets, limit one. The explanation about our query is about identifying the all highest wicket taker in the IPL. And second point, sum of the wickets taken by the each player. And result is player who have taken a 104 for 3 wickets, highest in the sample. And ninth question is about best blowing bowling figures, most wickets in a match. And the query is about selecting a player ID max wicket, as max wicket is from performance group by player ID. Ordered by max wicket, limit is 1. The explanation about it is IS highlights the best single match bowling performance, uses max wicket to find the highest wicket in single game by any players. The result is the player who took 104 for 3 wickets in one match, the best bowling figure. And last one is highest stick rate in a season. The query is about selecting a player ID, max stick rate as the highest SR from performance, group by player ID. And explanation is about the batsman who has scored the rate in this season. And stick rate is indicates how fast the batsman scores the runs, like run per 100 balls. Result: the player who scored 105 had a stick rate 175, the highest in the data set. Thank you. And upcoming topic will be engaged by Bharat.
Hello, myself Bharat Taram. My topic is IPL 2020. Which stadium has hosted the most IPL matches? Explanation: purpose to find the stadium they hosted the highest number of IPL matches. The queries count matches grouped by the each stadium ID, order by match count test, sort the count from highest to lowest. Limited gives only the top most matches result. Result stadium ID hosted the most matches, but only one match is the sample data set. 12 questions. Which stadium has seen the highest number of 200 scores? Explanation: purpose to identify the stadium where teams scored 200 runs most frequently. How it works. Join matches and performance table on match ID, group by stadium ID, and filter only those where the sum of runs match exceeds 200 using having some runs 200. Order result by the count such matches. Descending order. Note the sample data set. No matches had a total over 200 runs. Now output is turned. 13 question. What is average first inning score at the particular ground? Explanation: purpose to calculate the average first inning score for each stadium. How it works. Sample output. Stadium 1 has an average score of 75%. Stadium of 4 has the highest average score of 85. This value can indicate how batting friendly stadium is. 14th question. Which team has the best winnings record at a specific stadium? Explanation: purpose to find which team has won the most matches at any particular stadium. How it works. Sample output: stadium 1 Team 1 has 1 win, shows basic win record limited sample. Thank you, one and all.
I am Ashwin. Here, let's see our occasion and relation retaining queries. 16th, which player had a highest occasion prize in this season? Let's see this. In this season, select the player ID max price as a max price from occasion, where season is 2023. Group by the player ID, order by the max price, and designated limited one. Here we are finding the players which has highest occasion bind in the IPL 2023. Here the result is player ID is 101. Maximum price is like 120 crore. Uh, uh, 12 crore. And let's see next question. Which which uh, which franchises has retaining the most player from the previous season? Select the player ID and max price as max price from a occasion where season is 2023 group by a player ID over by the max price. Display limited as a one. Here, we are finding the identify the team retaining the most players from the previous sessions, and here the result is team three retaining the two players. And going to the next 18th question. Player has changed the team the most team times over the IPL season. For this finding selecting a player ID, counting the distinct team ID as a team switches from occasion, group by a player ID, order by the team switching desk. Here the tracking the player as a played of the most freshers. Here the result is 101 and 105 having the player as a two different team. And 19th, which team has spent the most money in a occasion in the last 5 years? Selecting a team ID and sum of the price as a total spent from a occasion, where season as a 2019 group by a team ID, order by the total spent desk team. Here we going to go on to see the analyzing the which team spent the most money in a occasion since 2019. As a result, team 3 spent 2.3 crores of amount. And go on to next history and trend analysis queries. 20th question. Which team has lost the most matching in IPL history? Here the selecting a team ID count as a all as a loser from selecting a team ID as a team ID from match where winning team ID is not a team ID union all selection team 2 as a team ID from a match where winning team ID is not team 2 ID as a loser group by the team ID order by a loser desk. Here mm, we are counting the total matches lost by the each team. Results the team 2 has the most losers from the followed by the team 3, 4 and 5, and we are seeing the output as a team ID and losers here. And go on to the next 21. Which bowler has bowled the most dot balls in IPL history? Selecting the team ID as a count as a loser from selecting team ID as a team from a match where winning team ID is not equal to team ID union all. Selecting the team ID as a team ID from a match where winning team ID is not equal to team ID two. Um, Order by a loser desk as a one. Here we are seeing the showing the bowler who bowled the most dot balls, no runs given. Uh, Here the result is 104. Bowled 18 dot balls. And 22nd question. It's the last question. What is occasion price trend for a particular player over the multiple sessions? Selecting the season prize from a occasion where player ID is 101, ordered by a season ASC. Uh, Here we are seeing the tracked occasion price changes from the specific player across the season. Result is a player 101 as a priced to 1.2 crore in 2023. Thank you.